Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick but important guide for you. How to remove multiple friends at once in Snapchat in 2025. Let's get straight into it. First, open Snapchat and go to your friend list. Now tap the three dots on the top right corner and select manage friendship. From here you have got a couple of ways to remove friends. Option 1, tap the hold on friend's name, choose manage friendship, then tap remove friend. Option 2, and honestly more convenient, is through your chat feed. Just tap on a friend's Bitmoji or profile icon, then hit the three dots on the top right and select Manage Friendship. From there, remove them. Now, here's the catch. Snapchat does not support bulk removal of friends. You can't select multiple friends and remove them all at once. There's no built-in mass delete features of 2025. So yes, it's a bit tedious. You'll have to go through your list, remove friends one by one. Not ideal, but that's the current limitation. If Snapchat ever adds a bulk remove feature, I'll be first to update you. So make sure to subscribe for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.